So today's our topic is direction of the electric current, conventional and electronic flow. So some examples are given here. Is for example, if any object is at some height and this is earth surface, means that object due to its height it is at high potential. Because of its height, its potential energy is higher than the object which is here, right? And this surface, because of that place is on the earth surface, it is at a lower potential. So that's why when this object we free fall that object, then that object will move towards the lower potential. So always object is moving from higher potential to lower potential. Similarly, we are having second example. If we are having one container like this and this is another container, we are having water inside here and here some water is here. Now if I let water coming out from here to here, so because of water height is maximum here, because of more height this container is at higher potential, and because of water level is decreased, because of the lesser level of water this is at lower potential. So always that's why water is moving from higher potential to lower potential, and till water is poured, though here both level are not same. So whenever both level will be same, no water flow according to in this both container, right? So that is the water flow which is in this direction from higher to lower, here higher to lower. Now we come to the point of electric current. Now see, is for example, one more, we take one more example of temperature. Here if I am having one sphere which is we can call it as capital A, and second sphere is capital B. This is at higher temperature and this is at lower temperature, right? So always heat is also transfer from higher to lower. So in the temperature meaning A is at higher potential in the form of temperature, B is lower potential in the form of temperature. So that's why heat is flowing from higher temperature to lower temperature. Now come to the point of electric current. See here we have one sphere carrying positive charge, means this sphere is of positive, it contains positive potential, right? And this sphere contains negative potential. See here area or volume of sphere may differ, right? So this is at negative potential. We know that negative potential means lower potential and positive potential means higher potential, right? So now if we connect these two sphere with one metallic wire, what happens? Current is flowing from positive to negative, means higher potential to lower potential. So current always flow from higher potential to lower potential, but electron is moving from negative potential to positive potential, because negative potential have more electron, excessive electron, that's why. And always electron can move, that's why electron flow is from negative potential to positive potential. So that's our topic guys, thank you very much.